Good morning. So for the beginner cook, hey, this is simple, but we're not going to assume everybody knows. So this is your first time cooking and you want to make some rice in your rice cooker. So this rice cooker I bought this rice cooker about, y'all don't laugh at me, this rice cooker is probably about 19, 20 years old. It's an Aroma. You can look at the inside of it, the outside of it. It's about 19 years old. I'm honest. I'm just telling y'all. Okay. So this is a little insert pan that you actually put your rice in. Can you see it? Yeah. And this is a little thing that they give you. And I've kept it this long, 19 years. So they show you the fill line. And it's actually 3/4 cups of rice. That's actually what it is. But I use the Zatarain's. I like parboiled rice. So this is Zatarain's. I paid $9.98 for this 10-pound bag of rice. I like parboiled because it's grain for grain. It doesn't stick together. So I fill it to this line here, and you're going to put, this is a 3-cup rice cooker. So I put 3 cups of rice. It's early morning. I'm getting ready for work, so I may be doing things a little off. Oop, I'm making a mess here. I'm trying to use the rest of the rice out of the bag. What I do, I store mine in this thing here I got from the Dollar Tree. And it has a red lid. 10 pounds fills up 2 of these, and I won't need any more rice this year. But I do want to go ahead and get it all out of this bag though. I use what's left in the bag first. Okay, that's my 2. And here's my 3rd one. Rice is not something that you should consume every day. Brown rice is better. I have not found a brown rice that my palate can, it's just so coarse. So I just haven't found one that I like. Okay, so this is how much rice we have in here. Now, good morning. So what we're doing now, we're making rice in a rice cooker. So I've added water in here. And the reason why I'm doing it, I want to get all of the starch or as much out as I can. All you're going to do is just rinse it a couple of times. So you take your cup, and however many cups of rice you want, that's how many cups you use of rice you use. Alright, so here I have 3 little cups up in here for me. See that starch coming off that rice? Okay, so you're going to add the water. So you want to add your water to the fill line, and my fill line is, see, I put 3 cups of water, and it's a little above 3 because I put a little bit more, but you see that? You see that? So we have it in the rice cooker. I use parboiled rice, so I'm going to add a little bit more water to mine, because parboiled, because I use a little bit more than what we with the little measuring thing said. As you want to add your salt, because I'm not. When you eat your food, you're not going to be able to taste the rice in it. It's like it's going to be something missing. Not a lot of salt, just a little, just enough. And then all you do, this thing has a little button on there, you turn it on and put your lid on there, and when it gets through, it's going to pop up that it's done, and that's it. I made gumbo, and so I am fixing some more rice to go along with it, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it gets finished. I'll be back. Also, y'all, today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, September 29th. Have an awesome, fantastic day, okay? All right, y'all, I'm headed to work. And you see the red light is out. This is how the rice looks. It is done. This is old rice cooker. You don't want, once the red light goes off though, you want to take it out of here because it's still hot. Your rice will be dark on the bottom. All right, y'all, have a blessed day. Talk to y'all later. Bye.